This is the intro video for the eKyro Smart Garage Door Opener, an opener that lets you connect and control older, non-smart garage doors from your phone, Alexa, or Google Home. In this video, we're going to look at unboxing, we're going to look at the basic parts that are included, and talk through how those parts are used. If you're looking for the compatibility check video, the video on connecting the Smart Life app to your garage door opener, if you're looking for the video that shows the physical connection of the garage door opener to your garage door, or the video for the setup of the garage door opener sensors, all of those videos will be posted below. There will also be videos below for using the eKyro garage door opener with Alexa, Google Home, or for troubleshooting. Now let's get to unboxing. When you open the eKyro garage door opener box, you are going to notice first that you have the Smart Garage Door Controller user manual. Inside the user manual, there's going to be installation tips, as well as a brief summary of how it will be connected. You will also see the Smart Garage Door Opener compatibility table, and that compatibility table is just going to have all of the different garage door openers that work with this device listed as well. Inside the box, you can see that we have all kinds of mounting hardware. We'll talk about that a little bit later. And then we have the eKyro Garage Door Controller. The eKyro Garage Door Controller is comprised of several key components. First, we have the plug-in, which comes in through one side. This plugs directly into the wall outlet. With the eKyro Garage Door Controller, we also have a reset and an open-close button. This reset button, when triggered, will open or close the garage door, or if you press and hold it, will reset the configuration settings. Moving on a little bit farther, we have the two wires that will plug into your garage door, and these wires will actually tell your garage door when to open or when to close, and they will trigger the motor. Last but not least, we have the sensor, and the sensor will actually detect when your garage door is open or closed. When the sensors are close to each other, it's going to tell it that the garage door is closed, and as these move apart, it will tell the device that the garage door has been opened. So these sensors will actually work regardless of if you trigger your garage door with the eKyro Garage Door Opener or not. If you use your wall button or a remote that you previously had programmed, it will still be able to detect if that garage door has been opened or closed. Now that we've looked at the different components of the eKyro Garage Door Opener, let's take a look at the mounting hardware. First, we have the actual mounting hardware for the garage door opener. Here we have a dual-sided 3M adhesive sticker. The sticker can easily be pulled off, and then one side is placed on the bottom of the eKyro Garage Door Opener, and the other side will be mounted to the actual garage door opener that's already in your garage. That allows it to stay secure and will keep the eKyro Garage Door Controller in place. The next set of mounting hardware components that we have is for the sensors. So the sensors will use probably the most mounting hardware, and most of the hardware that we have will be for the sensors. So the sensors will be required to be mounted on the garage door and also on the wall next to the garage door. Pieces that can be used with the sensors are, first and foremost, these double-sided adhesive pieces, very similar to the ones that are used for the garage door controller. We also have these angle brackets that can be used, and also these bolts down here that have not only the bolt, but they also have the nuts that go along with it. You could also use screws to mount them to the wall or different parts of the garage door. Now understand that there's going to be some extra hardware because of the variation in different garage door setups. So you may use one of the angle pieces or one of the 3M adhesive pieces or some of the bolts, or you may use none of certain components. So just keep that in mind. Last but not least, we'll look at the components that we have for wire control. We first have the adhesive line holders. The adhesive line holders have one side that is adhesive and the other side that clamps down, allowing you to put the wire through here and then clamp down on that. The nice thing is you can attach this to a ceiling, a wall, just to keep those sensor wires controlled. Other options are these nail line holders. These nail line holders function similarly and can be nailed into any surface that accepts a nail. And we have these zip ties, which can be used to group large bundles of wire together. This was the introduction to the eKyro Smart Garage Door Opener or Controller, and we briefly talked through the different components that are included, how those components work, and how they can be utilized. If you're looking for the other setup or installation videos, those can be found below.